Welcome to the Health Mentor. Today, we're delving into the remarkable health benefits of grapefruit and barley porridge, specifically their positive effects on digestion and intestinal health, all in just 3 minutes. First up, grapefruit. This vibrant fruit isn't just a refreshing addition to your breakfast, it's packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamin C, grapefruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, boosting your immune system and enhancing skin health. Weight management. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, making it a fantastic ally for weight management. Digestive health. Its natural acidity promotes the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food. Plus, the fiber helps keep your gut moving smoothly. Intestinal health. Grapefruit contains pectin, a soluble fiber that supports gut health by acting as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Now, let's talk about barley porridge. This whole grain is often overlooked, but it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Barley is rich in soluble fiber, which not only helps lower cholesterol levels but also regulates blood sugar, making it ideal for those with diabetes. The fiber in barley promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, ensuring a healthy digestive tract. Barley is packed with beta-glucans, which act as prebiotics, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to improved gut health and enhanced immune function. Starting your day with barley porridge can provide sustained energy, thanks to its complex carbohydrates, which digest slowly and keep you satisfied longer. If you're interested in trying grapefruit or barley porridge, check out the links in the description below for my recommended products on Amazon. Imagine starting your day with a warm bowl of barley porridge topped with fresh grapefruit segments. This delicious combination not only delights your taste buds, but also supercharges your health. The fiber from both grapefruit and barley works together to enhance digestive health, while their vitamins and minerals support overall wellness. Just cook barley in water or milk, add a pinch of salt, and once it's ready, top it with grapefruit, honey, and a sprinkle of nuts for an added crunch. There you have it. Grapefruit and barley porridge, two simple, nutritious foods that can significantly enhance your health and digestion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy living tips. Share your favorite ways to enjoy grapefruit and barley in the comments below. Thanks for watching.